Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Google Pixel Watch application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Google Pixel Watch application to send the notifications to our watch. So, find the Google Pixel Watch application icon. Looks like this. Press and hold on it. Oh my bad, not like this. Press and hold on this icon. You should see this pop up after a second or two. Tap on the app info. Here select the permissions. And right here we need to allow a couple of the permissions. We need to allow the calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, phone and SMS. To allow them, simply tap on one that is on the list of not allowed. Tap on allow, go back, and just repeat for the rest. So we need to have calendar, call logs, contacts, phone, and the SMS. Okay, so once you have all of these enabled or allowed, we can close this menu. Now we can open the settings on our phone and find the notification access. So we can tap right here on search, type in notification access, and it should display this. Tap on notification access, then tap on notification access again. And on the notification access page, you should see list of the apps. And on it, you should see Google Pixel Watch. It should say allowed on it, but if it says not allowed, tap on it. Make sure that this switch is flicked on. So tap on it, tap on allow. And once the switch is flicked on and it says allowed right here on the list, you can close the settings. And now we can open the Google Pixel Watch application on our phone. Here we can tap on the notifications option and we can customize the notifications. We can we have couple categories. We have from watch apps, from phone apps, and the general. From watch apps is basically the apps on your watch, and you can enable or disable the notifications for them by tapping on the switch next to them. If you tap on see all apps from the last 7 days, you'll see only the most recent ones, but you can tap right here to open the menu and tap on all apps to open all of the apps. And you can customize the notifications for them, or rather enable or disable the notifications for them by tapping on the switch next to the apps. Okay, now let's go back and tap on the see all apps from the last 7 days under the from phone apps. Tap on most recent and tap on all apps. And here we can do the same. We can customize for which apps the notifications will be enabled or disabled on from our phone, the apps from phone. And I'm gonna make sure that the Discord is enabled. As you can see, it is. Then we can go back. Below the general category, or in the general category, we have mute notifications option. And here we can enable or disable a couple of things like mute phone calls, or rather mute phone calls, mute notifications, and hide silent notifications. So basically, on the phone we can mute the phone calls, and the phone won't ring or vibrate while you're wearing the watch. That's what this option does. If you mute the notifications, the phone won't vibrate or give the sound while you're wearing the watch. And if you enable the mute notifications under the watch category, the watch will, or rather won't vibrate on or ring while you receive the notifications on your phone or while using the phone. And the next we have hide silent notifications, and if you enable this, it won't disable the silent notifications on your watch. Okay, and below that we have auto turn off notifications for new apps, and you can add auto turn on, my bad, not turn off. And you can enable this option. What this option does is basically, if you install new applications on your phone or watch, it will enable the notifications automatically for them. That's what it does basically. Okay, once we're done customizing the notifications, we can close the app, and at this point we should be able to receive them on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we have the notification on our phone and also on our watch. There's this dot right here. We can swipe up on the screen and we'll display the notification. We can tap on it to read it. We can reply. We can mark as read, clear it, or open it on a phone. And if you swipe right on it, you can clear it. If you swipe left, it's the same, like this. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.